Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and before I start today's video I just want to make you all aware of a trading signal service that we provide here. If you would like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website www.dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is below this video in the description. Once on our website you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership. So in front of me is the crude oil futures. And as you can see, we have had a bullish day. Currently find ourselves trading at $25.14. We have come into contact with the 50-day EMA, which should offer some resistance as it has done in the past two sessions. Very simple. From a technical perspective, it makes sense for us to break above the 50-day EMA to then go and come into contact with the 200-day EMA, which will then close this gap here at $42, which needs closing. So that would make sense from a technical perspective. However, from a fundamental perspective, we should probably retest the $15 and the $10 candle, as you know, the fundamental reasoning as to why oil has fallen so much in the past couple of weeks is still there. There is no demand and there is too much supply. You know, many economies in Europe, many states in the US have still not reopened, and the demand for oil right now is just not going to be there. So for that reason, I do believe that oil should probably go and retest that $10 or potential that $15 or potentially that $10 price again, and then potentially there, once economies and states in the US start reopening and the demand increases for the crude oil, then I believe that's when this market should then go and break above that 50-day EMA and close the gap at $42. Nevertheless, I am bullish long term on crude oil, as once this pandemic is over and done with and the demand returns for this oil, I do see us trading back up towards that $40 to $50 pricing. It might take a year, it might take more than a year, but we will get there eventually. I am certain of that. But for the short term, from a short-term perspective, do keep an eye on that 50-day EMA, as that will be a significant development if we can break above that 50-day EMA, because as I mentioned before, we will likely go tracing that 200-day EMA, which will then close the gap here at $42.